Okay, let's get to it. We are going to go plant the plants. And of course now, I can't do this one-handed. So let's see, might have to just carry the water. So these were the containers I was originally going to put them in, but I didn't find them until the last minute. So I'd already made some holes in some plastic cups to repot the Durian plants. And as you can see, the Durian plants are doing quite well. There's some new shoots coming out of the one that I thought died. The leaves shriveled up on the top here. These have more leaves coming and some more shoots off the top. This has some shoots coming off the top, and it looks like there's a little bud trying to come off here. So we're gonna go over here and replant these Durian plants. And so it's been a while. My mom's been taking care of them because I no longer reside with her. I'm staying at a place where I don't want to stay. I'm actually, after making this video, I'm going to be running to go look at a new place to stay. And then on Thursday, I'm going to be looking for a new place to stay too as well. I would love to stay in a place like my mom, and that's kind of like the place I'm going to go see on Thursday. So, you know, my mom has all these amenities: the gym, the pool table, the swimming pool, these outdoor areas, green spaces, barbecue pit. And it's just nice. The ambiance is just nice. You can hear how quiet it is. Pool tables all the way upstairs. There's a full kitchen, video games, balconies, you know, the whole 9 yards. Below it is the gym, and then the office downstairs. So anyways, hopefully this new place I'm going to be looking at will have the same amenities. So these are the cups that I just burnt holes in the bottom, trying to reuse these cups as planters. Sorry, there might be a little shade on my face. Anyways, you guys came for the plants. Anyways, so we're gonna get these started. I thought I had lost the activated charcoal and the banana. So this is the dried banana peels. I just took banana peels, put them on in my air fryer, put them on dehydrate, and dehydrated them for like 10 hours. And then from the pizza station at La Jolla Tennis and Beach Club, I took some charcoal. So we're going to be adding that into the soil. And then we have some Edna's Best indoor-outdoor soil. So we're going to put some gloves on first and then get started putting some of this soil. And we'll put some banana and then some charcoal and then more soil, and then we'll take the plants out of the pots one by one and plant them. Oh, this one's a little tight. Alrighty. So, the soil looks pretty nice. I don't know if you can see that. This is not the best setup. I thought the sun would come through because it's shining right here. Maybe I'll move this closer. Or step back, yeah. The lighting's not the best. Sorry guys, my apologies. I thought this would be better, but it's better than inside. There's just no light in the inside. So I have to admit, I haven't done too much research. I'm a bad gardener on what the Durian plants need. And when I looked on ChatGPT, they told me, and I'm just not putting my heart and soul into this as I thought I would, especially since I'm not here residing with my mom, and just not taking the time. I'm working, I'm trading, Just trying to get everything together so that I can leave. Things are going quite well, knock on wood. I've got some major bills coming up. Once they're paid off, then, you know, besides rent, everything goes in my pocket. So trading's going okay, knock on wood, and let's hope it stays like that. So I'm really hoping to get out of the country in 6 months. You know, I wanted to stay for football season. I miss watching football, and I just can't watch football over in Asia. You can, but, you know, the games start 3, 4 in the morning, 2 in the morning, and it's just, yeah, not for me. So I am still thinking about going to the Dominican Republic. I've been doing a little bit more research on that. Only thing I don't like is the cheaper apartments don't come furnished or with appliances. So when you rent a place in the Dominican Republic, unless it's an Airbnb or whatnot, your rent might be $200, $300, but it'll have no refrigerator, no stove, no AC, none of that stuff. So you have to buy it. And if you're only there for a short term, let's say 6 months or a year, then you're trying to sell that stuff before you leave. So when I go, I will be staying in an Airbnb, and then I will shop around, look for places, try to establish an area that I want to stay at, get some contacts, whatnot, and try and find a place long term if I decide it's a place that I want to go to and live. All right, so we've got our layer of banana, our layer of charcoal, I think we'll start with the big boy first once I get this charcoal in. And probably in 2 weeks I'll come and replant them into an even bigger, and I'll have the fish emulsion, and we'll be able to take care of them properly, and I'll do more research. Alright, we're going to start with the big guy first. So we'll loosen it up. Alright, just what I suspected. The root system was getting entangled in the bottom of the cup, and I didn't bring any shears and didn't have any place to grow, and that's probably why the plant was behaving the way it was behaving. So now it'll have plenty of space for the roots of this plant, and I'll probably just mix some of this soil in with this. I know a lot of you guys are gonna critique this, so I'm ready for it. So yeah, the roots just didn't have anywhere to go, and that was the problem. So hopefully now they will have more room, being though it is a tree, just needs more room. Okay, first one's done. I was a little worried too because the leaves were really turning brown. And I come over and now they're like bright green. Beautiful, luscious and green. Alright, so we got the first one done. Uh-oh. So yeah, that was the problem. The roots just didn't have anywhere to go. No nutrients and no place to go. So I need to rectify this. But now that the roots will have more space to branch out, I'm sure this will thrive a lot better. All right, number one. So let's take this guy out. My mom obviously just watered them. So I'm going to leave a little bit of the old dirt soil and then put some of the new soil around it, but not compact it too much. All right, number two. So I haven't packed it a lot. I'm gonna let it, water and let it irrigate, and just, the soil will slowly in time start to go down, and then I'll just keep topping it. Okay. Same problem here, is it's kind of like anchored itself on the bottom here. I can see the roots on the bottom coming out the bottom here. I don't know if you can see that, but there's roots trying to make its way. So try not to break the root system and just gently massage it so it comes loose. There we go. I think Mom's been putting a little bit too much water, but they do like a lot of water, but they don't want the roots to be too soggy, and as you can see, they're a little soggy. All right, number three. And we'll do this last one. It has this little node coming off the side, so we'll do this one. So that one completely came. Here's the root. It doesn't have any place to go. So hopefully now the roots will make its way and it will be able to root better, get some nutrients from this new soil, and take off. All right. Now to clean up some of this mess. Not too exciting of a video. Just wanted to give you a little update with the Durian plants and how they're doing. So I'm going to do a little bit more research on the Durian and seeing what I need to do to make these plants thrive. And I will keep you posted. All right, so let's get these in the sun and give them a drink of water. Okay, we've got them out here in the sun, repotted, looking nice. A whole bunch of little shoots. You can see area right here where it wants to have a little shoot. On the side here. So hopefully this replanting in the new soil, and we're about to order some nutrients online, these will start to grow a lot more. So let's just give them a little drink. And I think that'll do it. Okay, I'll keep you guys updated. Thanks for joining me. Sorry I haven't been putting out a lot of videos, but I've just been working, and when I'm not working, resting, because I was just working since I've been back like 7 days a week, 6 days a week, just trying to get this money, because I'm really just trying to get out of the country, back out of the country. So yeah, it is what it is. So I'll be making some more videos. I don't know how interesting they'll be, but I will try to make them very interesting for you guys. And I'm just not able to shoot videos of food and cooking at the places that I've been working at. I've been working at General Atomics, and they don't want any photos. Like, I wanted to show you the food I made today, and I couldn't. It was beautiful. The last couple of days I made some good displays, but because they make all the drones, and we have Army personnel, and we've got armed guards, and this, that, and the other, they just don't want people taking photos, because they say even if you take a photo outside, apparently some guy took a photo of a rainbow out in the parking lot and they swarmed him, told him he had to delete that because people can see the mountains and the houses and figure out where this particular place is, and they don't want the people to know where this facility is. So I don't even videotape when I get a couple miles. I have some footage driving in that I have not put. I think it was on a short. I'll upload that today, of my drive in, because it's just so beautiful. But I'm a couple miles away from the facility, so I mean, you can't pinpoint where it is. Everyone knows it's in Poway, but you don't know where in Poway. So anyways, we're just not allowed to film, so not taking any chances. I'm not trying to mess with my money, so they just don't want people to figure out where this facility is, so I have to respect that. So when I'm back at places where I can show my food and what other people are doing, that gets a lot of views, I'll upload it and show you. So anyways, thank you for watching. Thanks for subscribing, and as always, God bless.